is Brandy.Aguirre, and I'm a real estate advisor in the Phoenix East Valley. Today, I'm on my way to show you my newest listing located at 10215 East Gamma Ave. This beautiful home is situated on a corner lot in the heart of Eastmark. It's also located directly across the street from a park and a green space. Let me show you around. Recently built in 2019, this split floor plan home offers 3 bedrooms, an enclosed den, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and nearly 2,200 square feet of living space. The kitchen features beautiful white quartz countertops, trendy subway tile backsplash, a large walk-in pantry, and Frigidaire gallery appliances. The primary suite features a large walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling tile and a massive walk-in closet. Throughout the home, you'll find 9-foot ceilings and oversized 8-foot doors. This home includes a tankless water heater, a soft water loop, and Energy Star qualified air conditioner. Additionally, this home comes with a smart home system and is pre-wired for surround sound. Both the front and the backyards have easy maintenance desert landscaping, and there's not 1 but 2 separate private covered courtyards. Eastmark is a master plan community located just 30 minutes away from Sky Harbor International Airport in downtown Phoenix and just 12 minutes away from Gateway Airport in Mesa. Enjoy all the incredible amenities Eastmark has to offer, including more than 40 parks and green spaces, a disc golf course, a community pool, spa, and clubhouse, community events throughout the year, and even a 2-acre organic farm. Eastmark is also home to some of the biggest names in tech, including Apple's Global Operations Center and Facebook's data center. You'll also find 2 of the nation's top-rated schools, as well as opportunities for shopping and dining right inside the neighborhood. For more details about this beautiful home or to schedule a private showing, contact me and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.